In this video, I will present the Kutsinira, or response lines, for Irene Chigamba's singing for Mbabarira. I'm going to start by singing it in the high octave so you can hear all of the pitches. And then I'm going to drop it down to the lower octave, which is where I would prefer to sing it, but with a slight modification at the end of each phrase because my voice just doesn't go quite low enough for that final pitch that Irene is singing. Here we go. There you go. I threw in a few of Irene's other variations at the end just to show you how you could get in, especially those lines Corona Yacho and Chirwere Ichi, if you wanted to structure those responses to the lead lines with your Mbira or singing group. And in the next video, I'll go on to the lead lines.